But I'm gonna go ahead and get to work. All right, you guys, so I pretty much just sat down. My client is not here yet, so I can actually record, but I'm actually really excited. I'm really excited. Okay, so that's that. I actually have to come back here again in another week and do very similar things. This client is a friend of mine. I'm gonna be able to share with you guys her selections on her house. She doesn't mind me sharing it, so I will see you guys when I come back for my friend who's getting her stuff all done also. But oh my gosh, you guys, it's so amazing. I am the best friend that is okay with sharing with you guys. When the process started, I did share a little bit with you guys, not everything, but I wanted to be able to go through my process by myself and not have so many voices and opinions about what I should and shouldn't be doing. And this is my selection. I'm going to go ahead and let that play so you guys can see it again. This is going to be for the niche. I know it's coming across a bit green on camera. It's actually a smoke gray. This is actually going to help if the hardware ever goes dark. And then this right here is the flooring. It's a grayish, really pretty, really nice. I actually really love it. And then this is the countertop. You really can't even see the veining, but it has a really pretty veining on it. Let me see if I can darken the camera so you can actually see. Yeah, you see that? It's a really, really pretty veining on it. It looks really good. I think going neutral in the spaces will help it to look a little bit bigger. So this is going to be the one for the remaining of the bathrooms, the second and also the half with the flooring, with the mirror. I'm going to show you guys a bigger version of the mirrors. For the outside, this is going to be the brick. This is the color of the, let me darken it a little bit so you guys can actually see the true colors. Okay, perfect. So the door is going to be black. It is not this. This is just the color of the shutters that we're using for the color. This is the color of the roof. This is the color of the bottom half, and this is the color of the top half, so it's gray. This is going to be the handles on the cabinets. This right here is the cabinet, and you can see the handle right there. This is the countertop, and this was an upgrade. And then this is going to be used for the back, which is going to be a herringbone design. So I do like that a lot. Okay, the kitchen is going to have the double ovens and also the fridge. These are the options for flooring, but let me just say now all this stuff is an upgrade, y'all. It's an upgrade. Let me upgrade you. Level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay. I want to show you guys the mirrors really quickly, just so that way you can see how they look like all together. But the ones, this one here is one of the options here. And then the next one is this one right here, which I thought was just really nice. I love the look of it. It looks really nice. When it comes to the railings, these are the options right here. I actually really like this one. This looks really pretty. This right here is the standard that I see most people have. And then this one here is the one that's at our house right here, which saves you a little bit, but it's still pretty expensive. But that's that right there. This is level 1. All of these right here. KKK. Here it's level 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And I'm guessing 5 is where you have that marble right there. So you just have that. I'm just showing you guys really quickly. Here are the options for the sink. This one here is a round. And then I'm trying to pull out the other one, you guys. And this one here is the square. Okay, we went with the square, you guys. These are the sinks, which you have a double option, and this is for a different home. And then you have this guy here, which I love, you guys. And then you have this one here, which I actually like this too. All right, so you guys, with this sink, I really like it because the item is going to be flat, and if you look, the sink is deep enough where you can actually just throw your dishes up in here and don't have to worry about nobody still seeing when they come into the house. So I really love this sink a whole lot. The next thing that I'm going to show you guys is the cabinet levels. So right here is the level 1. These are the only options that can be selected. If you want to go into the level 2s and the level 3s, those are a lot more. Personally, for me, you know what I'm saying, I like the level 3s because they just, I don't know, the level 3 for me just has a lot more lighter colors, which is just crazy. But I love the trim inside. Let me do this, sorry. I love the trim right here. This is really nice. This is similar to my closet. Okay, I love this gray because it's gray, but it's still really light. It's so pretty. This is the antique white right here, and I love this. This is level 5 cabinetry. All right, you guys, well, thank you for tuning in. That is pretty much it. I'm like so excited. I cannot wait to share with you guys the end result of my selections because they're just so amazing. I just can't wait for you guys to see. I didn't show you guys everything because I wanted to be like a surprise reveal when you see it, but they look amazing and I'm so excited. I'm so happy. And if you need me, call me. Here's a quick look into the kitchen, and this is what I was speaking about when I said the range hood, the microwave, and double oven was just too much. During my meeting, it just seemed as though doing a microwave oven conversion was just too much. The only other option that I felt that I had was to just delete the microwave. In terms of using the microwave, I really don't use it. You guys know, like I do HelloFresh, I do the Publix meals, I make smaller meals. You guys know also, I have my All-Clad and my Calphalon and all these things, and I definitely need the storage. So cabinets was definitely important to me. I do plan on making some adjustments in the future to have a microwave, but right now I deleted it and they are allowing me to keep it upon closing. It's in my contract. But this is a quick look at how the conversion is going to look once everything is complete. And this to me feels like a full-on kitchen. I like that look a lot better than what they were trying to sell to me. Losing the microwave was a risk that I took, but my plan is if ever in the future I decide to sell and something happens, I will definitely do the microwave oven conversion and just call it a day. I'm currently in the room where my closet is going to be at. And I can tell y'all now, the only thing that I really do love is it has a niche. So my vanity is going to go in here. So my vanity is actually a little too big. So what he's going to do is tear out the middle. Not tear it out, but undrill it apart. Take the middle piece out and just do one countertop. So my vanity would just be the sides right here. It won't be the whole, like with the little small middle drawer anymore. Just so that way it can fit in this niche. And then the mirror is going to be... Instead of me putting the mirror on top of my vanity, I'm going to have it hanging on the wall just like this. And then I'm going to have my electrician come in because I do have a wire that's going to be back here. Purposefully, I put it back there so he can run it so I can have a sconce. Boom, boom, to be placed right there. So that's going to be done in here. This is my new office space. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I selected the same floors. This house just got done and designed, so I didn't see this. I will tell you that I deleted this window here. These windows are staying, and the reason why I deleted them is because the other house didn't have it, so I don't really need it. And honestly, the less windows, the less expensive it's going to be for shutters. I'm just going to do that. I exit out of the wainscoting, and I also exit out of the trim work on the coffered ceiling. But I got somebody that's going to come in and get the work done. But I did tell them they didn't have to do it. So what I'm hoping is going to happen is the tray ceiling, and then each one of these I can get the lights to be put in. So this is the entry to the house. So they're gonna do 2 lights, okay? They're gonna do 2 lights right here. This one here is the can. They're gonna change that. But this is the cabinet that I picked out for the island. This is the sink that I selected for the island. The reason why I said my kitchen isn't going to be the same as the last house is because my kitchen is going to have the herringbone detail. It's going to go all the way to the ceiling with a range hood. My appliances will not be black. It will be stainless steel. I mean, that's what I've been dealing with, and I know how to clean it really well. I'm not really a fan of the black. So that's what's going to happen here. I want you guys to see how that looks. It looks so good. I'm so excited. I believe one of the young ladies designed this, and it's so funny because this is very, very, very close to some of the things that I selected. But going down, surprise, surprise, cabinets are going to be white. What I'm going to be sharing with you guys now, it's the builder's model. So the builder selected everything that's going to go into this house. Some of the items in the house, I just wanted them gone, or two, I needed adjustments to be made, which is why I ended up going with a new build, like building my own and making my selections. So you're going to see this. I also deleted the trim because I have somebody come do some work. This is the kitchen. My kitchen is going to be different. The stairs is going to be pretty similar, and then the fireplace, and I have 2 bookcases. So this is how the master bathroom is going to look, minus the gray. Mine's white, and this is the tub and shower setup. I did ask for the mirrors not to be installed, and also doing the tile detail behind there. Oh, okay, so you guys, I happen to come into a model that's, again, similar but different. And this is how the fireplace setup is going to be. Minus the facing, because I did something totally different. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and go. It's been a long day. Just trying to finalize a couple things, make some selections and stuff. Just trying to prepare myself because I know it's gonna be a lot of work ahead, but again, I'm just really thankful and grateful that I'm able to do this. But anyway,